Here we are at Pancake, and we're with Lindsay, and he's got the token cod. We'll catch another 80 of them today. We're also here with Bailey.
Hello.
And there's cousin Stephen over there. Might get the gap for that one. We got supper wine. Normally don't get sharks here, so you should be barramundi cod. Barramundi cod.
Hey, that's new PB.
Yeah, it's a good one too. One of the best eating fish in the sea, and you got to throw it back.
That's the worst part, isn't it?
Ow, sharp little anal. We got 56. Yeah. Good one. Was not expecting one of them. Oh no. Not ideal. Happy moments. Yeah. Oh. What a surprise. A little grassy, right colour. Little grassy. A nice one. Hey, good grassy. Fuck it. Yeah, that's a better one. Holy fuck, you got a look. Oh. Maybe there's a school of grassies coming through. This thing's fighting like one too. Yeah, we must have a school of grassies coming through. School of grassies. Missed that on video actually. Bailey's on again. What do you got? Another little grassy. He's got one for the esky. It's a funny looking grassy there, Lindsay. Nah, just mosies. There must have been a big one before. Yeah. Where you got? Oh no, grass. Oh, you got a dark-tailed snapper. Nice. Dark-tailed snapper. Yeah, they're alright. Nothing wrong with that. Good work. Swallow that, I think. Like the yap. Nice stripey, that's what we want, Bailey. Jesus Christ, come on. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Stripey. Oh, something different. Cod. A bit close to that. That should be legal. Got it?
Yeah.
Oh. Come out. Oh, go stripey. Oh no, well we got a little grassy. Little grassy. Oh no, it's a little spangled. Little baby spangled emperor. I wonder if... just a big cod. Big cod. That should be legal. Oh, look at the weight on that thing. That might be cut baits. Oh. It's that first bit, just trying to keep them out the rocks, eh?